and welcome to last day of Quick Fit series. You have made it so far and I'm so proud of you. Today is cardio day. It's a no equipment, no jumping workout. There will be a total of 5 exercises with 5 minutes on the timer. You know the drill. There will be 45 seconds of work and 15 seconds of rest in between. So if you are ready, let's kill this last workout. Now switch. one and done. With that cardio out of the way, we are at the finishing line of our 21-day strength training program with your sheer dedication and hard work. Your mind is more resilient and your body is leaner and stronger than ever. Make sure you celebrate this success with your friends and family and keep the momentum going. If you have liked this program and workout, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you want, you can restart this program from day one and maybe do each workout for 2 circuits or add more strength, more added weights for resistance. You will see yourself making progress. And don't forget to check my channel for other workouts that's available. With that, I'm signing off now. Stay healthy, stay consistent, and stay safe. Bye now.